Here's the dirty truth that nobody in tech wants to admit. I keep getting emergency calls from companies drowning in AI-generated code disasters. Executives promise their boards that one developer with ChatGPT could do the work of 10 engineers. Investors threw millions at startups that just because they had AI in their pitch deck, then they thought that they were worth it. But when crunch time hit to actually ship some working software, that's when they call us to clean up the mess. So why are multi-million-dollar AI initiatives collapsing faster than a house of cards? How do we convince ourselves that code and software are the same thing? And what happens when your entire product is built on vibe coding, where nobody actually understands what they've created? Let's dive into this today because I want to tell you about what I'm finding out. All right, so look, I get that AI is powerful and we use it absolutely every day. I tell my developers all the time that AI is not going to replace you, but a developer who knows how to use it might. So I totally understand where we're at in this AI coding revolution. And I'm seeing the same pattern over and over again. Companies think they're building the future, but they're actually creating technical debt bombs that are ready to explode. So I'm going to break down some of the real story behind AI generated code, why understanding the difference between writing code and building software might save your entire business. And hey, I love to hear about your war stories too, so drop a comment down below and tell me about some of the AI experiences that you've had, because honestly, your comments are some of my favorite things and they totally make my day. Now let me jump into a funny joke here, because I really like this one. I found it really humorous here. So, who are we? CEOs. What do we want? AI. AI to do what? We don't know. When do we want it? Right now, right? And this is the joke, right? This is what's going on, and we're seeing this over and over and over again. The reporting, the pattern is just over and again. So let's take a look at this other story here really quick. The CTO was ChatGPT. I freelanced for a funded startup and slowly realized no one actually built anything. They just passed prompts on to OpenAI. So the founder was a charismatic, slick pitch deck. Buzzwords were well deployed. Said they had a lean technical team and needed a senior engineer to add structure and velocity. I asked what stack they're using. There was a pause. He said OpenAI mostly. So they really actually had no CTO. There was no technical founder, just a bunch of guys who did their growth stuff and figured out that they'd use Figma to do mockups, a Notion roadmap, and a Python backend, kind of. So it turned out MVP was built in less than 2 weeks using ChatGPT. Literally, they passed prompts into GPT, copied the output, and deployed it to Replit.
Hi, I'm Spencer, a fractional CTO. With over a decade of executive leadership and 25 years in software development, I've transformed technology teams and products for businesses just like yours. As your fractional CTO, you get the strategic guidance of a seasoned technology executive without the full-time commitment. Perfect for companies ready to leverage cutting-edge technology without expanding headcount. My team at Startup Hack has already built advanced AI agents for small and medium businesses, automating complex workflows and delivering advanced ROI to human workflows. We specialize in creating custom software that connects your systems into a single coherent technology ecosystem. Our development approach focuses on tangible business outcomes. For one client, we developed AI-powered workflows that cut days off of human processes. For another company, by connecting multiple systems, we reduced processing time to increase their ROI by over 75%. We don't just write code, we architect solutions that scale. Whether you need cloud system architecture, data integration between legacy systems, or custom AI agents that automate your unique business processes, my team delivers results that exceed your expectations. Having led technology for a lot of companies and launched 7 successful brands of my own, I bring battle-tested expertise to your business challenges. Our specialty is turning technological complexity into business advantage. So if you're ready to harness the power of AI and custom software to drive your business forward, let's connect. Together, we'll build technology that doesn't just solve today's problems, it positions you for tomorrow's opportunities. Technology leadership, decades of experience, AI powered. Reach out today and we can help you. Check out startuphack.com/Spencer.